So thank you for registering. Join WhatsApp group. Another one is the storefront. Inside the TagMango. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a thank you page. So friends, we have different types of thank you pages. Simply, we can redirect our customers to the WhatsApp group or Telegram group, Facebook group. That is one method. Apart from that, we can also redirect to them separate website. In the separate website, we have different types of applications. Let me show you that one. So this is my one of the website. So thank you for registering. Join WhatsApp group. Another one is the storefront. Inside the TagMango, I have created this storefront. It is a white label account. So relevant courses I have given here. They will redirect to the storefront. Again, they will purchase these links. Once they click on that one, they redirect to directly here. So these are the applications, friends. So how to create that thank you page live in the free account. After creation of a payment page or sales page, come here, edit here. So here payment success page. It is the thank you page. So friends, we have different types of options here. We can redirect to URL. So select that one. So here I have already this one. I will do some copy paste and give some timer like 5 seconds. I will save 3 dots, copy payment success page link. I am doing here. See, within 5 seconds, without my intervention, this website appeared. So similarly, we can also do, so again, come here, edit here in the payment success page. I am using another link that is my storefront link. Now I am giving 2 seconds. So immediately I want to redirect the purchased customer to the my other programs. So again, select the copy payment success page. See here, 1, 2, redirect to the my storefront account. So friends, this is very simple thing. What we should do is we can get these type of applications relevant to your niche. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. If you have any doubts, please join the WhatsApp group. The link is available in the YouTube description.